Welcome to the CellGate Property Management System Operational Management video. The purpose of this video is to assist property management administrators in the process of managing user records that were migrated from their system to CellGate's TrueCloud Connect. This includes ensuring that move-ins, move-outs, and other day-to-day processes run smoothly. This diagram lays out the high-level process of migrating and syncing the data between the two systems. There are four main sections this process can be broken down into. This operational guide will cover the fourth and final section called Admin. Now that the data has been migrated and reconciled within the TrueCloud Connect, the following operational rules should be followed to ensure the systems operate optimally. 1. The property management system is the source of truth for the resident users. This means any information associated with residents such as name, email, phone number, etc. should be changed within the property management system and then synced in TrueCloud Connect. 2. Changes made in the property management system will also sync overnight and be reflected in TrueCloud Connect. We currently support 7 activities performed in the property management system. Data change. On sync, the changes will be reflected in the TrueCloud Connect. Move in. TrueCloud Connect will create the new user. Reverse move in. TrueCloud Connect will remove all access from the user. Move out. TrueCloud Connect will remove all access from the user. Cancel move out. TrueCloud Connect will restore access to the user. Unit transfer. TrueCloud Connect will update their database with new unit information for users. Promote roommate. TrueCloud Connect will update the database with the new information. Data change. In this example of a data change, the resident's phone number is being updated. Under the Personal Info tab, click Edit. Then select the phone number and make the change needed. After syncing, the changes will reflect in TrueCloud Connect. Now in TrueCloud Connect, you can click Sync, and the phone number has now been updated. These changes will appear under the New tab. Other changes that were made in the property management system will also be reflected here. You can also see all changes made in the Updates tab. Move in. In this example of a move-in, the resident status is being changed from future to current. Under the Function tab, click Move In. After syncing, the changes will reflect in TrueCloud Connect. Now in TrueCloud Connect, you can click Sync, and the resident now appears in the New tab. You can now clear them to move them to the existing tab. Other changes that were made in the property management system will also be reflected here. You can see all changes in the Updates tab. Reverse move in. To undo a move-in, from the Function drop-down, click on Reverse Move In. After syncing, the changes will reflect in TrueCloud Connect. Now in TrueCloud Connect, you can click Sync, and the former resident has been switched to the Removed tab. They no longer have access privileges in the system. Move out. When moving a resident out, from the Function drop-down, click Move Out. After syncing, the changes will reflect in TrueCloud Connect. Now in TrueCloud Connect, you can click Sync, and the former resident has been switched to the Removed tab. They no longer have access privileges in the system. Now in TrueCloud Connect, you can search for the user under Manage Call Group, and they will no longer show up in an active call group. Cancel Move Out. To cancel a move out, click on the Function tab, then select Cancel Move Out. Now the person will show up in the Notice status. You can now click Cancel Notice, and they will be a resident again. After syncing, the changes will reflect in TrueCloud. Now in TrueCloud Connect, you can click Sync, and the user is now in the New tab. They are now a current resident with access. Unit transfer. In the instance of a unit transfer, click on the Residence option on the left panel and then click Unit Transfer from the drop-down. After syncing, the changes will reflect in TrueCloud Connect. Now in TrueCloud Connect, you can click Sync, and the unit number has now been changed. You can see all changes in the New tab. Promote Roommate. When promoting a roommate, the resident status is being changed from roommate to residence. Under the Function tab, select Promote Roommate. After syncing, the changes will reflect in TrueCloud Connect. Now in TrueCloud Connect, you can click Sync, and the resident type has now been changed from roommate to residence. Other changes that were made in the property management system will also be reflected here. You can see all changes in the Updates tab. The purpose of promoting the roommate is not only to reflect the true status in the Yardi system, but also to change their call group type to that of the resident. This may provide them with different levels of access than they had previously as a roommate. This concludes our CellGate Property Management System Operational Management Instructional video. If you have any questions, please contact our dedicated CellGate support team. As always, thank you for being a part of the CellGate family.